So here we are on an adventure after we took some pictures, and we, in the Smokies and in the awesomeness, found this church right there off in the frame. See that? And we saw an incredibly interesting sign, and I'm about to show it to you.
It's really great.
Everybody just take 1 second to process that. Honk if you love Jesus. Text while driving if you want to meet him now. I wonder what you... Oh, they're honking because they love Jesus. I wonder what you would say, like... I wonder what this church would say if they knew I was doing videos while driving. Awkward.